has just announced the signing of a new deal with top international beverage, Pepsi. He first shared the news of him signing a deal with Polo via Snapchat before taking it to the ground. New deal alert. My new Pepsi deal is sweeter than. 2 years with the best. Thank you, Lord, for your continuous blessings at Pepsi_Niger. There's apparently little to no chance Megan Foxx and Brian Austin Green will reunite. The former Transformers star is currently pregnant with her third child and her estranged husband is said to be the baby daddy. But they reportedly have no plan to drop their divorce. Megan and Brian, who already have 2 children together, 3-year-old Noah Shannon and 2-year-old Bodhi Ransom, have been close even after she filed for divorce last August. Sources tell TMZ that the pregnancy just kinda happened. It wasn't planned. Sultan gives an insight into his views on the Nigerian music industry in his new song from his upcoming album, Out of the Box. This release is coming after his Twitter event some days ago, and the song is in the same vein as the tweet. Check this out.
Myself, I'm a businessman with invents. So all often I know if it's something you're dropping, you listen to me, then you start to copy the industry hill, you start to copy, you don't say I am original copy. Been singing and winning for years, singing and winning, I know more.
Actor RMD and his wife Jumobi hosted AY's wife Mabel to a birthday dinner on April 12th. Ex-wife of popular Lagos pastor Chris Okotie and Stephanie Henshaw attended the dinner. Check out these lovely pictures. The Duchess of Cambridge, Kate Middleton, on Tuesday this week wore 3 stunning outfits in a space of 12 hours during her royal tour of India with husband Prince William, matching each look appropriately with her different visits. The tour, which started on 10th of April, continues. Check out these set of pictures. Don't miss these movies when they finally hit the cinemas near you.
I didn't have a place to stay after I ran away from home. I ended up under the bridge. The safest place for runners like myself.
Where's my daughter?
I swear I didn't do anything. What has happened to you, Samantha? It's been one bad behavior after another.
It's all your fault. Your fault. You okay?
I said I'm fine.
No, you're not. What are you doing here?
I don't have anywhere else to go.
You were doing fine before we met.
Please. What is this thing that makes you feel you owe the world?
I met someone.
It's just trouble.
You don't even know her.
But I treat people like her.
Come on.
Isn't that you?
Hey, why would you break a bottle over a guy's head?
I was only defending myself.
I'm a harmless man. Get up! Get up! How many times did I tell you to stay with me? Huh? How many times? Stay away from that guy. Did he do this to you?
Take your hands off her.
The monkey one has the guts to come and talk to me.
I'm sorry.
Are you sorry for him challenging me and my boys? He embarrassed me in the entire neighborhood.
You're full of shit!
What happens when what you've been running away from finally catches up with you?
Does Samantha know?
13 hours.
Pull over for inspection.
Sorry, sir, I can't do that.
Everybody, this is Jack Silva, who trained SEALs at Coronado, so he knows the drill.
We need immediate assistance. We are overrun.
You have a U.S. ambassador at risk. You gotta send us.
We're not even supposed to be here. You will wait. None of you have to go. But we are the only help they have.
Stand down! If you do not get here soon,
We are all gonna die.
Hey, we're coming in. We're on property. On the roof. Don't leave me.
We're under heavy fire.
Chief. Are we expecting any friendlies?
I am not aware of any friendlies.
let them come. Let them come.
I haven't thought about my family once tonight. Thinking about them now. Up here in the middle of all this.
Tell me what to do.
Thinking about my girls, man. Every time I go home to Becky and those girls, I think this is it. I'm gonna stay.
RPG! Shoot that son of a bitch!
And then something happens and I end up back here.
And that's a wrap on entertainment updates for today. Keep a date with us tomorrow for more updates. For more updates on entertainment, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Google+.